Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung continuation ng topics under Unit 1 which is all about functions. This time, the topic is operations on functions. Operations on functions are the processes involving the fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division between two or more functions, as well as the composition of functions. Let's start with addition and subtraction of functions. If two functions, for example, f of x and g of x are added or subtracted, it produces another function which is called sum or difference of functions. Meaning to say, if two functions are added, ang tawag sa na-produce na function ay sum of functions. Kapag yung dalawang function naman ay sinubtract, ang nabuong another function is difference of functions. In formula form, it is illustrated as the quantity of f plus or minus g of x is equal to f of x plus or minus g of x. Ibig sabihin, kapag f plus g, ito ay magiging f of x plus g of x. Kapag ito naman ay subtraction, f minus g, ito ay magiging f of x minus g of x. Let's answer some examples. Example number 1. Let the first function f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 5x plus 4, and the second function g of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 6. Solve for f plus g of x. Remember the formula of f plus g of x, that is f of x plus g of x. Ang ating f of x is 2x cubed minus 5x plus 4, and ang ating g of x is 3x squared plus 2x minus 6. Don't forget the grouping symbols para makita natin yung terms ng bawat functions. Dahil ito ay addition, pwede na natin tanggalin yung mga grouping symbol at mananatili yung kanilang mga signs. Kaya, 2x cubed minus 5x plus 4 plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 6. Saka tayo mag-proceed sa simplification of algebraic expression. Unahin natin yung pinakamataas na degree or exponent, 2x cubed. Nagsusolo lang siya, kaya as is lang siya na 2x cubed. And then ang 3x squared ay nagsusolo lang din siya, kaya as is siya as plus 3x squared. Pero ang ating x variables, negative 5x plus 2x ay pwedeng i-combine. The answer is negative 3x. At ang ating constant, or minus 6, is equal to negative 2. And this is the answer for f plus g of x. Let's have one more example. Example number 2. Let the first function, f of x, is equal to 5x squared plus 3x, and the second function, g of x, is equal to x squared plus 2x. Solve for f minus g of x. Remember the formula for f minus g of x, that is f of x minus g of x. Ang ating f of x is 5x squared plus 3x, at ang ating g of x is x squared plus 2x. Don't forget the grouping symbols dahil meron tayong subtraction sign. Ibig sabihin, i-distribute pa natin tong negative sign sa x squared at 2x. Parehas sila magiging negative. Kaya ang next line of solution is 5x squared plus 3x minus x squared minus 2x. Saka tayo magsisimplify ng algebraic expression. Unahin natin yung mataas na exponent. We have 5x squared minus x squared. The answer is 4x squared. And then, meron tayong 3x minus 2x. The answer is 1x or x na lang. This is the answer for f minus g of x. Let's have one more example. Example number 3. Let the first function f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2. And the second function, g of x, is equal to x minus 2. Solve for g minus f of x. Take a look on the position of f and g. Nauna ang g bago ang f. Therefore, ang ating magiging formula dyan is g minus f of x is equal to g of x muna bago mag-minus ng f of x. Ang ating g of x ay x minus 2. Ang ating f of x ay x squared plus 3x plus 2. Don't forget the grouping symbol dahil meron tayong subtraction sign. I-distribute pa natin yung negative sign sa x squared, sa 3x at sa 2. Silang lahat ay magiging negative. Kaya ang next line of solution is x minus 2 minus x squared minus 3x minus 2. Saka tayo magko-combine ng like terms. Unahin natin yung mataas na exponent. Ang x squared ay nagsusolo lang, kaya mananatili siyang negative x squared. Ang ating x variables ay dalawa, x minus 3x. The answer is negative 2x. At ang ating constant ay dalawa, negative 2 minus 2, the answer is negative 4. And that is the answer for g minus f of x.